Guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video we're going to be doing the factory reset or hard reset on the OnePlus from T-Mobile. The model number on this device is A as in Alpha 6013. What you'll need to do first, you want to power off the device. What you need to do now, you want to press and hold the power key and the volume down key on the other side. You want to press and hold both buttons at the same time. As soon as the phone comes on, you want to just release just the power. Keep holding the volume down. You will get this screen. What you'll need to do now, you want to pick the language, so you want to scroll down to English using the volume down key. Then you want to press the power key. You get three more options. We're going to be picking the wipe data and cache. Press the power. Here you get three more options. We're going to be doing erase everything, which is the last option on the bottom. You want to press the power. Then here's telling you that it will be undone, and you want to go ahead and just format it and press the power. Now everything is erased. You can go ahead and reboot the device. Now this is it, guys. This is the end of our video today. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching.